Hey guys, hope you are doing well. We are having an amazing day. The Fed meeting is going on and we have some good news. But regardless, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is developing further, so they are developing further and introducing this new technology to the world. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, please smash those likes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, push the bell notification all. I am sharing my screen and as you see, this is not a glitch. This is not a yesterday glitch from the CoinMarketCap. This is a real. So you see most of the coins are in green, especially those that in 15, 30, 15, 30, Avalanche 30%, Arweave 12, Aron 20%, Matic 17%, XDC 26%, Quant 21%. So Helium is up, HBAR, Link. So almost all the altcoins are in green, and Bitcoin is up 3% and is traded around 49,000, and Ethereum is back about 4,000 US dollar and up 6%. So guys, what's happening on the market? This is not the CoinMarketCap glitch that happened yesterday. So yesterday, CoinMarketCap, unfortunately, was a glitch, and then it showed that Bitcoin is 100 trillion, one Bitcoin worth 100 trillion, one Ethereum worth 5 billion US dollar. So, and this was shown also in the wallets, because wallets are collecting data from CoinMarketCap, and if you hold your coins, let's say in the Trust wallet, that you saw that okay, I have trillions of dollars worth of crypto, but the balance of the crypto is just almost the same, so nothing changed, but the dollar value was trillions. So this is the difference in real life, and this is in CoinMarketCap. And now just we are working on to become like a CoinMarketCap Pro with this crypto knowledge that we are sharing through CorionX and through our movement. So definitely join our Telegram channel, because we have some news. The good thing that our ambassador Jeff is he was able to publish the video, but hopefully the big tsunami will be not so strong as he expected, but let's pray for him and for his family. So guys, let's go back to our news. And so bubble charts looks really good. And what about the crypto fear and greed index? It is sitting at 28. So now it's higher than yesterday, but still in the fear zone. Yesterday we were at 21 in the extreme fear zone, and you see the index also consolidating. So we are the index is spending more time here in the fear zone, and sometimes it's getting very fearful, like 18, 17, or around 20. And you know, be fearful when investors are greedy, and be greedy when investors are fearful. Not a financial advice, but we just we just examine that the best buying opportunities are when investors are fearful, because the cryptos are so cheap, and when investors are getting very so greedy, then it's due for a correction, so better to sell or just at least taking some profits. So that was this CoinMarketCap glitch yesterday, and this sent Bitcoin wallet balances into trillions. Incorrect price information on CoinMarketCap meant that crypto wallet users saw the wrong dollar balances in their accounts. So that was that was a huge glitch. Is there any picture from that? No, there is no picture, but we made some. Yeah, here is the picture. So Ethereum, and this is, I think this is just maybe this is a price or the market. This is the price. So one USD Tether just worth 16 million. One USD Tether worth 16 million US dollar. One Ethereum worth almost, I don't know, huge number, almost 48 billion US dollar. One Ethereum. So that was the glitch. It's insane. And all the wallets, most of the wallets shown, like Trust Wallet is also belonging to Binance. So Trust Wallet has shown these huge amounts. Let's go to our major news of today. The Fed meeting stunner, 3 rate hikes on top for 2022. Stock market rises. So so what's happened on the Fed meeting? That will be the asset purchase will going on until early next year, setting the stage for 3 interest rates hikes in 2022. So there will be 3 quarter point rate hikes in 2022. So 3 times quarter point rate hikes in 2024. So 0.25%. Okay, and also this asset purchases from the 120 billion monthly base will continue. So this is good for the crypto market and also for the stock market. But I just would make a difference in here, because I think when as we see how this technology is developing with all the layer 1 solutions, layer 2 solutions, DeFi, NFTs, online gaming, blockchain gaming, metaverses, oracles, that I don't think so just the Fed interest rates and monetary policy will influence the Bitcoin price. And I don't think so that we need the Fed to keep and pump the asset prices up and also pumping up Bitcoin, because I think when this technology is developing further, that we will see a nice price appreciation. As even if a huge bear market would come with bad conditions, that mostly the big giants, technology and online companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, and all other NVIDIA, they would just maybe just drop a little bit, but continue to rise because they are innovating the market and leading the technology. So Bitcoin sheds dump money as retail buys most BTC since March 2020 crash. Retail at BTC like it's March 2020. Here is a chart from Willy Woo. The last time retail bought the dip this hard was at the bottom of the COVID crash. Probably nothing new, and so on and so on. Retail accumulation is going on. So 7-day change in coin balances of holders of less than 1 BTC. So holders below 1 BTC, they are just buying Bitcoin according to this chart, and this is the highest level what they accumulating since the 2020 March crash. Smart versus dumb money hits all-time high. Okay, smart money gap indicator consisting of data from on-chain analysis firm Glassnode, and there has never been a greater disparity between the amount of BTC held by smart and the dumb money, long-term and short-term buyers. Okay, so let's check this chart. Largest gap between hodlers and young coin BTC historic. So the yellow is smart money, and not the yellow, what's this? Green. The green is smart money, and you see when these the holdings are peaking, they are peaking after or before bear market. So they are accumulating the most of the coins in bear market. And even if we are arguing if this is a bear market or not, we see that these smart money accumulating more and more Bitcoin, even if there is not a bear market. And the red one is the retail, the dumb money, young coins, the short-term hodlers, and they are always at the lowest levels during bear markets, and they are peaking when the all-time high is there. So they are just mimicking what the Bitcoin chart is showing, but the smart money is doing the best because, as you see, they have the less amount of coins here. Then they bought tons of coins during the bear market, and they accumulating during the next bull market. So they distributed during the next bull market, and after that they bought back. So this is definitely insane if you understand what's going on here. And the red is the dumb money. This is the young coins, and the green is the smart money, and the gray is the Bitcoin price. So guys, this is something like that. I think it's really interesting. And even if a retail is accumulating according to Willy Woo, we don't see this dumb money on this second chart. Let's go to our next news. Yes. Okay, 3 reasons why Ethereum price can drop below 3,000 by the end of the 2021. So this article was made 3 days ago, at that time when we witnessed the biggest dump. Maybe this was part of the dump. They showed that here's a wedge, and if this wedge breaks down, then it would lead Ethereum to 3,000 US dollar. But I think that would provide good buying opportunities as always. And also there is a bearish divergence in the price because the price increased, also made a new all-time high, and we see the RSI is coming down, and this is the bearish divergence. And also the Fed policy is affecting Ethereum somehow. And you see on this chart the balance sheet as percentage of the GDP. The highest is in Japan and also in the European Union and also Federal Reserve. So guys, let's go to our next news. We don't need this for later. Retail Bitcoin traders doing something they haven't done since March 2020, according to on-chain analyst Willy Woo. So this will be almost the same chart. The last time retail bought the dip this hard was at the bottom of the COVID crash. Probably nothing. So this is a retail accumulation, balances of holders of less than 1 BTC. And they increased their balances here. That was the top, and now also they are at the top. So quite interesting, because I wouldn't suppose this, even if we are looking at other charts, that this is happening. Buying the dip, visualized spot volume seen on chain. It has been happening. It's moderate, but most importantly, as yet, no signs of a further sell-off cascade. Also worth keeping in mind, longs have already been flushed. Okay, so longs have been already flushed out, and this is why you see this huge red dot when the big sellings are made, and now the price is down, but we don't see a huge sell-off. Long-term hodlers are at their peak, and so generally when we are this zone, you have got peak accumulation. These guys tend to sell down in the rallies. You saw that in the last rally from October last year, and when they run out of ammo, the short-term hodlers hold those coins generally to the new weak-hand investors. Where in the strong area that has been selling down, meaning they have instigated taking profits, so they took profits. Definitely good chart. let's go to our next news. Also, that was something that caused a little bit panic and FUD a few days ago, or maybe yesterday. Senators slammed stablecoins in latest push for tighter regulation. Okay, stablecoins are yet again under the spotlight as US senators launch an attack on dollar-backed cryptocurrencies in their latest call to clamp down on the industry. And this is Elizabeth Warren. Stablecoins pose risk to consumers and to our economy. They are propping up one of the shadiest parts of the crypto world, DeFi, where customers are least protected from getting scammed. Our regulators need to get serious about clamping down before it's too late. So, guys, having 7% inflation in the US is not scamming people. Just a question. It's not scamming people that they are losing 7% of the purchasing power every year. Okay, so I think, yeah, this Elizabeth Warren is really against crypto and stablecoins. I would really happy if somebody would just explain her how stablecoins are working and why it's good for the US dollar, because all those stablecoins are pegged and backed by the US dollar. Senators on the stablecoins warpath in the crypto corner, and we urge the Department of the Treasury to provide information or informal guidance as soon as possible, no later than the end of the current calendar year, regarding the definition of broker as discussed during the legislative process. So this is now how regulation works, that someone is coming out and don't anything about the industry, and then pushing forward a damn stupid regulations and just making this really amazing industry not proper and no opportunity in those countries. So let's go to our next news. Elon Musk explains why Dogecoin is a better currency than Bitcoin. So guys, I got sick from this. So somehow Elon Musk hairstyle is similar like the North Korean president's hairstyle. Same hairstyle, okay. And yeah, so Elon Musk is the person of the year according to Time magazine, and then he quote Bitcoin is not a substitute for transactional currency, and just he pushed forward that Bitcoin is not good for payments, but Dogecoin is good, and Tesla will accept Dogecoin for some merchandise, so not for Tesla, but for just merchandise. Okay, I put it at the end because it's not so important news. 33.5 billion US dollar worth of Ethereum trapped in largest Ethereum contract, and this is Ethereum 2.0. So in Ethereum 2.0 contract, almost 8.6 million Ethereum is trapped. Is 33.5 billion US dollar worth of Ethereum. This is the 2.0 Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain staking contract launched in November 2020, and it cannot be spent without a hard fork. Just when the Ethereum 2.0 and the Ethereum 1.0 will be merged. And now we know that they are testing the Ethereum 2.0. So hopefully something will happen in next year. But you never know, because Ethereum is always delaying with their launches and developments. So guys, what is our next news? Crypto hedge fund buys 84 million of Ethereum after price dips. Okay, so it's not a small amount of Ethereum, and that was the Free Arrows Capital, and we already talked about that. So that was a news few days ago. And first, Suzu just bashed Ethereum somehow, and now they came out and they thought that they bought these humans of Ethereum. Let's go to our next news. 10% of Cardano top whales holds 94% of ADS total circulating supply. So guys, do you think that ADA is decentralized? If you are just hearing this news, so 10% of Cardano top whales, so the top whales, 10% of the top holders are holding 94% of the total supply. So this is insane. And yeah, the whales control 31 billion out of ADA's 33.4 billion circulating coins. These analyses based on data from Finboard and Coinmetrics. So guys, I think this is something that is not healthy. So keep in mind that if you want to hold Cardano or not, but I think Cardano is undervalued because it's not releasing any new projects recently, just waiting for the Sunday swap, Astro swap to see Cardano rolling out with new projects. So Bitcoin is still in the downtrend, but now for now we bounced here, and this is still a downtrend. This is a downward trending channel. So we'll see if this line at 50,000 US dollar can broke up. If yes, then also we have the 200-day moving average here. So we will see a nice acceleration towards other resistance zone. So closing about 53,000 would make me bullish, but until that I'm still bearish and waiting just a choppy sideways trading with a huge candlestick just breaking out, but not closing below 42,000 US dollar. But for now, Bitcoin looks really good. We have seen that Avalanche rallied really well. Where is Avalanche? Almost 20%. So actually Avalanche broke out really nicely. So that is a nice breakout. So breaking out from this, and this was a trend reversal. So it would be good to see a retest and then continuing from here. Let's check what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is back about 4,000 US dollar. Ethereum turned to a downtrend here, and it's not actually a bull flag or a bullish wedge. I think it's just continuation of this downward trend pattern. But for now, Ethereum looks really good. If it would overcome 4,250, that I would turn to bullish. But for now, it's still okay. Phantom just broke up, or just not broke up, but preparing to breaking up. Matic is doing great. So Matic broke our resistance lines and now back and testing this next horizontal resistance level. Okay, guys, so I think that's all for today. I'm a little bit tired. It's too late. It's Helium, and definitely check out. We have a video about Helium, how to get a Helium hotspot and how to mine Helium coin. So definitely check that video. So Helium broke out really nicely. Guys, also visit our farms. We have farms on the Binance Smart Chain. And then you can provide liquidity in CorionX BNB and CorionX BUSD pairs and earn nice 200% plus rewards. And also you can, if you are holding ERC20 CorionX, then you can provide liquidity on Uniswap and earn 330% APR. So guys, that's it for today. Please smash those like, push the bell notification on, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Be safe. Bye bye.